after the long wait, we already received our Avata 360. Was it worth it? Or was it an impulsive purchase? Let's unbox it. Avata 360 comes with a 360-degree camera, allowing you to capture every angle in one flight. Perfect for a beginner, but it requires a lot of editing skill. The package also comes with a controller, and one of my favorite features is its follow mode. Whether you're driving a car, riding a bike, or exploring a trail, the drone can automatically track and follow you. It also comes with a helipad for a safe takeoff and landing. It also comes with a 3-pack battery and a charging hub for longer flight. So follow for part 2 when we put the Avata 360 to the test and see what it can really do in the